Namaste viewers, I am Shweta Singh and I am back again with the lecture series based on Lakshman by Toru Dutt, and this is the lecture number 3. The link for lecture number 1 and lecture number 2 will be pasted in the description box. Please go through both of the link of lecture 1 and lecture 2 before starting this lecture 3. So here you see stanza number 3. Oh no, and I must run alone. For further here I cannot stay. Art thou transformed to blind dumb stone? Wherefore this impious strange delay? That cry, it seems to ring still in my ears. I cannot bear suspense. If help we fail to bring, his death at least we both can share. Here in these lines, you can very well understand that Sita has become impatient by the time because she is continuously pressurizing Lakshman to run for the help of Ram, whom she clearly thinks in danger. But Lakshman is standing there. He is paying no heed to the words of Sita. So now Sita is out of patience, completely out of patience. And she says that I think you will not move. So I should run alone because I cannot stand here and wait for the death of my loving husband. I cannot stay, she clearly says. Art thou transformed to blind dumb stone? Just as a stone is dumb, you cannot impact any stone with the words. In the same way, Lakshman has turned into a stone because he is paying no heed to the words of Sita and he is standing there without moving. Wherefore this impious, strange delay? Impious means impure. She realizes that something impious, impure is going in the mind of Lakshman because this delay is not normal. It is some kind of a strange delay. She is here doubting the character of Lakshman. The cry of Ram for help is ringing in the ears of Sita, and she cannot bear it at all. She does not understand this suspense that why Lakshman is here and there Ram is crying for help and his brother is waiting. What is he waiting for? Is he waiting for his death? Does Lakshman want this? Because she clearly understands if help we fail to bring, his death at least we both can share. That if at this moment we are not able to reach to Ram for his help, definitely we are going to share his death. So here in this stanza, you can understand it shows Sita's fear, impatience and devotion. Her panic clouds her judgment. She is constantly thinking of only the safety of Ram, but she cannot understand the hidden motive of Ravana behind this whole idea. And she unfairly starts blaming Lakshman. The emotional tension here foreshadows the tragic consequences of her insistence, as we know, everybody knows that after Lakshman leaves for the help of Rita, Ravana comes and abducts Sita, and then the whole Ramayana starts in actual sense. And towards the end, you see, I have again added some multiple choice questions for the help of the students. Question number 1. Who speaks the lines in the given stanza? Answer is B, Sita. Question number 2. Why does the speaker say she must run alone? Answer is C. She believes Ram is in danger. Question 3. The phrase blind dumb stone suggests Lakshman is being accused of being what? Answer is B. Emotionless and unresponsive. Question 4. What emotion dominates the speaker in this stanza? Right option is C. Panic and anxiety. Question 5. The cry mentioned in the stanza refers to? Answer is C. Rama's supposed call for help. Question 6. What does the speaker mean by I cannot bear suspense? Answer is A. She hates waiting in uncertainty. Question 7. The line his death at least we both can share shows the speaker's what? Answer is B. Devotion and loyalty. And the last question. The tone of the stanza can best be described as C. Desperate and emotional. So here I end my presentation. Thank you for watching, and if you like it, please click like and subscribe. Thank you.